Hello everyone and welcome. It's been some time since I put something on the YouTube of really importance, and here it is. I'm flying in rich passage in 375 feet of water. I came across something with bright lights. Quite sure not what it is. I slowed the frames down to 15 so you can get a little bit better glimpse of it. And it has a lot of lights and it seems to be following me. Is this what we would call a UFO? I don't know. Another shot of it now is I've been continuing our flight and it's following me. Wherever I go, it stays about 20 to 30 feet back, and it's changed its light somewhat to be a brighter solid light now. Before, when we saw it, it was just, seemed to me, 3 or 4 little lights. But now that it's got a glimpse of my diver drone, it's been following me along, and I'm looking at the depth finder. I'm 385 feet down, going into 400. And another clip of it here, you'll see real shortly, of how really bright this light is. And I'm moving about 2.5 to 3 miles an hour. And look, it's following me. I'm not quite sure what this is. It's nothing to do with my equipment. And who would be out here at, what time? See, it's 2:30 in the morning. Water's really flat. And look at this bright light. Now it's no longer 3 little ones. It's one large bright light. And you can see that I'm moving along the bottom away from it, but it's staying with me. I'm looking at a lot of different critters on the seafloor. There's a starfish, as they would call it, or a sea star. But look at this. It's right there, following me. What would that be at this depth, moving into right now 385? Crazy. Not sure what it is, but it's a big bright light that's been following me this morning. Wow, what a shot. Thanks for watching, everyone. A UFO in the bottom of Puget Sound? I have no idea.